Covenant that is unbroken and a covenant that lasts for a lifetime. These rings are made of pure and enduring metal, reminding the couples that true love must be pure, strong, and steadfast, tested through time and refined through faith. As the groom and bride exchange this ring, may they always remember the promise they make today to love each other faithfully. Now, let us witness the wearing of the ring. I this one to wear the ring to your okay. What did you say to your wife? What is your
A home that I've never thought I'd be looking for. I love you so much, and you changed my life for the better. And I promise I will love you, cherish you, and honor you as my beautiful wife for the rest of my life.
nauna nang nag-kiss? Ano po? Yan ang sasabihin ko sana. Alam na niya eh. Sabi, talagang na-inform ito. Okay, thank you very much, Sir Shien. And then, this one. So, then, sabihin mo rin yung pagmamahal na siya.
Shane, honey, my darling, I'm very lucky that you came into my life. Thank you for all your sacrifices and loving kindness. You're a very caring husband. I appreciate you. I love you. I promise to be your loyal, loving, and steadfast partner. I promise to grow with you, to support your goals, and to celebrate your triumphs as if they were my own. I vow to listen to you and to love you unconditionally and to always stand by your side through all of life's seasons.
Okay. Let us give a round of applause. They have auras here that they bring. There is a coin. I am holding it. This coin symbolizes prosperity in marriage life and having proper money management. God told the man to cultivate the land, plow, plant, sweat, and work so that he would have something to use in building a family. Man, who is your treasurer today? Who will be the one? Your wife? Yeah. Okay. So, thank you, Sir Shing. The only treasurer you have choose is your beautiful wife. Okay. When you get paid, who will you give your money to?
My wife and my children.
Thank you. The true order in the treasury is the wife. She should be the one to handle the money. So there's something to spend on the family's needs. And there is a command in the Bible in 2 Timothy 16, which says, "For the love of money is a root of all evil." Meaning, do not love money, but give it to your spouse, so that what you cherish is your spouse. Okay, so I'll do this. Then give it to your, what did you say? While you bring up and to palakpakan na natin. Do you have a mouse with some? Yeah, a message to your wife.
can live. Today, before God and these witnesses, I take you to be my lawful wife. I promise to love you, honor you, and cherish you with all my heart. I vow to be faithful to you in the good times and the difficult times, in your sickness and in health, in joy and in sorrow. I will stand by your side, support you, encourage you, and care for you as long as we both shall live. I promise to lead your home with love and kindness, not violence and pain. Understand and respect. I will listen to you, pray with you, and work together with you. I promise. From this day forward, I give you my heart, my life, and my devotion. I will love you not only for who you are today, but for the person you will become in the future. This is my solemn vow and promise to you for God, today and forever.
Let us give a round of applause.